Welcome to Luca is a Billionaire, where the only thing I invest in is your answers.
You begin by launching Garageband and creating a new song. Choose a track that fits your idea so you can capture momentum. Tap plus, then pick keyboard, drummer, audio recorder, or a smart instrument. Each offers immediate playable sound. Set tempo, key, and time signature now so recordings stay in sync. Record a guide take or program a drum loop as a backbone, because once you have structure you can overdub and refine. Make sure to name the project for quick recall. Now you stack parts to turn an idea into a full arrangement. Record several takes, use comping or trim the best phrases manually, and duplicate tracks for harmonies or variations. Apply EQ, compression, and reverb to carve space. Automate volume and panning to create movement. Use the MIDI editor to tighten notes and quantize lightly so feel isn't lost. If you prefer groove first, build in live loops and then drag clips into tracks view, because that workflow gives both spontaneity and editable structure. Finish by balancing levels and adding a gentle master limiter so peaks don't clip. Make subtle final EQ adjustments to glue the mix. Once satisfied, export to files or iCloud or share directly to social platforms at desired resolution. If you notice latency, pops, or recording dropouts, reduce active tracks, disable effects, bus-heavy plugins, and close background apps to free CPU. If exports fail, reboot the app and check available storage, then re-export. You'll learn faster by iterating and listening on different playback systems.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.